A mop that cleans itself while cleaning your floors. Meet MOVA's game-changing track-type roller mop cleaning tech. Z50 Ultra. Every stroke starts fresh. Fresh water is evenly sprayed on a mop pad for effective self-washing, while dirty water is efficiently absorbed during mopping. Rolling brush fluffs mop fibers. Z50 Ultra removes hair and dust, capturing up to 99.5% of large particles. The smart RGB camera detects different dirt types, like heavy stains, and precisely remops them. The robot vacuum identifies when the mop is dirty and proceeds to its dock for mop rewashing. The dock adjusts water temperature from 4 available levels. Detachable dual mop accurately wipes off wet messes along the edges. Extendable side brush reaches into corners, eliminating hidden dirt. The side brush rotates, removing hair. The roller brush cuts it through, while mop bristles straighten hair. When vacuuming carpets, the mops lift to prevent carpets from getting wet. Clean Genius tailors cleaning modes and other settings to your home, delivering spotless results. Z50 Ultra cleans pet areas. An ample 4L dust box ensures 120 days of hands-free use. No mess tough, no wear rough. MOVA Z50 Ultra. Running water, spotless cleaning.